How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another Wiedas Marine boat review. We have a used 2016 Triton. This is a 21 TRX Elite package. Now this boat is fully rigged out, so if you were looking for a full 21-foot package, maybe a little bit older, save the price on the brand new package, you know the deal. This is yours right here. This is a 2016, like I said. You have 10-foot power pole blades on this boat. And as you can see, you have a 250 horsepower Mercury Pro XS 2-stroke. This is on an Atlas hydraulic jack plate. And then you also even have the motor mate. You know, little small upgrades matter here and there. But as for that, that is all you need to be professionally competitive on the water. You got 10-foot blades, like I said, so you get a little bit deeper shallow water and anchor, if that makes any sense. Coming up to the dash, folks, we got two helixes. They're both Helix 12s chirps. One is mounted in the center on a bass boat technology mount. The other one is mounted off to the side on a swivel mount. That way you can run your GPS and graph however you want to configure it. You got two screens to do it. You got blinker style trimming, and you got your on your other side blinker style hydraulic jack plate trim. So you can keep both hands on the steering wheel, and of course you have that hot foot down there to allow that. Beautiful seats in this Triton. They're color matched, two-tone seats. Coming up, you got this giant front deck, big wide front deck. This is a huge body boat. You got the middle center compartment, matching rod lockers off to the side. Your coolers down there where the step is. As you can see, you have your ruler and then some tool holders as well as cup holders. Integrating lights on the Triton 2016. Rod straps. You got another Helix 12 chirp mounted up at the dash. And then you have a Minn Coder, or a motor guide, I'm sorry. This is the 101 motor guide X3. Sighting down the boat, you got your keel guard. Very beautiful Triton right here, folks. So if you are interested in this Triton 21 TRX, you know where to find it. Give Wiedas Marine a call at 859-647-BOAT. One of our sales representatives will be happy to take care of you. Thank you all and have a great day.